emo. Catch her back and buy her toe. If she holler, if she holler, let her go.